Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's learn how to juggle a football. So let's go. So guys, juggling a football is very basic, very simple but very useful and effective. It's one of the most important skills to learn in freestyle. Without this juggling, you cannot do any skill. If you learn juggling, 50% of work is over. You can learn any skill very easily. So juggling is one of the most essential and fundamental tricks in freestyle football. You can fill up your combos with juggling. You cannot do a trick and hold the ball in your hand and then again do another trick. So it's not nice, guys. So you can add the juggling between these two tricks and you can easily do it. So juggling is very important. So now let's learn how to juggle. So guys, in juggling there are two types of juggle. One is the knee juggle and the other one is the foot juggle. Knee juggle is a more complicated trick. I cannot explain the trick in the same video, so I'll make a different video on it. But today let's learn how to foot juggle. So let's learn how to foot juggle. So guys, before even learning the foot juggle, there is another step. You'll have to learn the flick ups. These flick ups will make your learning process much easier. For example, you're juggling the ball and ball goes out of control, then you would not have to pick it up with your hand, bend down. It's tiresome and it's time wasting. If you learn the flick ups, it's quite easy. You can start juggling from the ground itself. You don't have to pick it up with your hand. So here are some quick flick ups which you can learn. So guys, if you have learned the flick up, let's move on to the second step. The second step is quite easy. When you have done the flick up, the ball is in the air. Now you will have to kick the ball once more, but with a scooping motion so that the ball comes back to you and doesn't go away from you. And you have to kick the ball with the lace part of your foot and not the tip of your foot. If you hit with the tip of your foot, it's kind of difficult. But if you hit with the middle part of your foot, it's quite easy and you can easily control the ball. So let's see how to do this in slow motion. So guys, if I have mastered the second step, you have pretty much got the foot juggle. It's very easy from here on. You must practice and do the first and second step in a continuous loop. And if you want to perfect the foot juggling skills, I have a small advice or a trick for you which I'll show you right now. So guys, for learning the foot juggle, the trick is quite simple. You'll have to kick the ball with your right leg once and hold it with your hand. Kick the ball with left leg once and hold it with your hands. Now kick the ball again with your right leg but twice and repeat the same process.